Hello my channel. Today a recipe for baked wings in a mustard and honey marinade with crispy wedges. As always, at the start of new viewers I invite to subscribe to the channel. Click the bell and you will be up to date with my recipes. I present a list of the necessary ingredients. You will find the same list in the description under the video. Under the video, I will also add a link to the blog where you will find all my recipes. We need a kilogram of washed, dried wings. Then we add 2 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of sweet paprika, half a spoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of marjoram, 2 full teaspoons of any mustard, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, and 2 tablespoons of oil. We mix everything together. We set aside such prepared meat for at least an hour. In the fridge, I put it all night. Of course, you can change the amount of spices as you wish. Then we prepare about 7 medium-sized potatoes, peel them, cut them into smaller wedges, pour cold water over them, let them sit for half an hour. After this time, we thoroughly dry them on a paper towel. Add half a teaspoon of sweet paprika and granulated garlic, 2 tablespoons of oil, and mix everything together. We add salt only after the potatoes are baked. I prepared the dish in a fat-free fryer in order to make it quicker, cheaper and juicier. If we need one large chamber, we use one. I just need 2 separate ones, so I divided this chamber into 2 parts here, so I can set a different temperature in each compartment, which is a huge advantage of this device. We put potatoes in one chamber, wings in the other. If you don't have such a device, you can kind of do without it. As you can see, potatoes are even stacked on top of each other, which doesn't really matter. And it will bake just like we do with the wings. Here too, it's not just a single row, they're also stacked on top of each other, but it doesn't interfere with the baking at all. Just give this compartment a shake and everything will bake evenly. For potatoes, I set the temperature to 200 degrees for about 30 minutes, simply because they're stacked on top of each other and it might take a bit longer because of that. I also have about a kilo of wings here, which is quite a lot. I set it to 180 degrees for 25 minutes, and it's much shorter time compared to a traditional oven. This device uses much less electricity compared to an oven or a hot plate, making the dishes more juicy in a very short time. If you're interested, I've put a link under the video to the store on the instantpad.pl website. You can also enjoy a discount with my discount code, Culinary Adventures 10. You'll get 10% off. As I said, the dish should be shaken every few minutes for it to bake evenly. I'll show you how I do it shortly. It's nothing complicated at all. We can confidently open this fryer. I'm about halfway through the baking time, as you can see. I open it, shake it, it can be thoroughly shaken, and we do this periodically so that everything bakes evenly. And this is what the finished dish looks like. Golden potatoes, delicious chicken. If anyone would prefer that it to be more overbaked, well then just extend the baking time. But this time is optimal for everything to be baked and soft. So make sure you prepare this. It presents deliciously, tastes even better. Try it for sure. Of course, I invite you to watch my next videos. Regards.